It's Thredup Thursday, and it's also Halloween. So happy Halloween to y'all, everybody out there. Hope everybody's having a great day. And let's hope that today is full of treats and no tricks, especially with this Thredup Rescue Box that we're getting ready to open. Hey y'all, my name is Christina, and I am a part-time reseller here on YouTube, eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, The Real, and Depop, all over the place, you guys. Today, I do have a special treat for you because we are going to be opening a box I don't open very often, and that is the Thredup Namebrand Handbag Box. So let's get ready and see what Thredup sent me. So before I open this box, I just wanted to point out what I'm wearing today because, after all, it is Halloween, you guys. So today I have a special treat because I got some friend mail, y'all. I love friend mail. My friend Marilyn over at Shady NY sent me the sweetest friend mail. She sent me this sweet little headband that she got in one of her boxes, and it has little skulls in it. She asked me if I wanted it. Absolutely, I do. So I've got that in my hair today. And when I opened the box, you guys, she also sent me these gorgeous feather earrings, which of course are black. They remind me of, like, I don't know, if I can live in some fantasy land, maybe like raven feathers. And they needed a little repair, and she knows I love feather jewelry. So I've got them all repaired, and I'm wearing those today since it's kind of, spooky. She also sent me this sweet skull stretch bracelet and a choker that has a little skeleton on it. So I just double wrapped this to add to my little bracelet stack. And then on this wrist, I added another skull stretch, which if you watched my Tuesday video, I opened a Goodwill jewelry jar and I got this one in there. So I pulled this out to wear in today's video, and I have this adorable Halloween bracelet that I got from Brighton in his Whatnot auction. So I'm decked out. Oh, and this ring, you guys, I wear this ring in my videos a lot. I did also pick this up from Marilyn, and I love it. So I'm decked out and ready to open this Thredup box. So this box, as with all the others lately, is from Mechanicsburg. It is one of the medium-sized boxes, and you can see my receipt was just hanging out the side, y'all. So this is the Rescue Box Namebrand handbags. You're guaranteed 4 bags, and again, they might be DIY. There are problems with them potentially, or reasons that they either weren't accepted or didn't sell on their website. It also includes 1 accessory. The cost for the box is $100 plus tax and plus shipping. So I'll order this box if there's a sale or back in the day when they used to maybe offer free shipping. But I just felt like I haven't done one in a while and I should do one. So I ordered it. I'm hoping for good things. I have always wanted to get a Tory Burch bag in one of these boxes. I know it's possible. I've seen it happen. I have yet to have gotten one of those. However, I think in my last Namebrand handbag box I got a Toomey backpack, which was amazing. So hoping for, like I said, lots of treats and no tricks. So let's get opening on this box. I will be giving pricing throughout, so if you are interested in purchasing, you just need to send me an email to stinaresells@gmail.com, and I'm happy to invoice you through PayPal and ship the item out to you directly. These bags, unless we are talking about the accessory, will be a $9 ship. The accessory, if you're interested in purchasing that, would be a $6 ship. And if you aren't subscribed to the channel, I do unboxings twice a week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. All right, so here we go. There's the tissue. Let's pull the tissue off the top and take a first peek as to what we got. Okay, kind of hard to see. So just from first glances, I'm seeing a really cute bag here with like a wooden handle. I love bags like this, so I'm super excited about that. This one looks like it's got some sort of drawstring on the top, so maybe a bucket bag. I don't know, we'll see. Looks like maybe a Dooney and Bourke in here, so I'm excited to get into this and see what we got, y'all. All right, let's start right off the top. All right, this is the one with the wooden handle. Oh, you guys, this is a Kate Spade, and this is actually a fold over, and it's a clutch. So it's in a silver metallic. It is leather. Maybe you can see the Kate Spade is imprinted here. Maybe you can see throughout there is a ton of wear to this, unfortunately. Lots of little spots. This is something that if I decide to list it, I will fix this up first with some metallic like permanent paint and try to get that ready to sell. It does also need a good conditioning. You can see the wrinkling in the leather at the top, but I love this detail on this fold over here. And probably on most of the bags, I will be having pricing on the screen because I've got to look them up, you guys. Okay, so it opens up like this. You've got the zipper across the top. It works. That's a plus. And again, more wear kind of to this silver leather. So let's check the inside. The inside is a beautiful like blue satin with a white polka dots. Are they white or silver? Maybe they're like a silver color. And then you have your slip pocket on the inside with your Kate Spade. And there's your spot for your cards. So the inside looks really clean, you guys. I would say, and this could be our accessory, y'all, which would be amazing. I would say the issue with this bag is just the wear to some of this metallic leather. But this bag is adorable. All right, so I will have a price on the screen for this one. Even though there is some wear to this bag, I am happy with this first one. So, yay. All right, next one is this one that has the drawstring across the top. Ooh, okay. I know not everybody loves getting this brand, but I do. This is Rebecca Minkoff. We have a beautiful, it's almost like a nude, but with a slight peachiness to it. I love this. The leather's super soft. There is a little stain here on the bottom. It could just come off with a wipe down. You've got the gold chain, which you can carry either as a shoulder or you can pull to do more of a crossbody style. Let's see. We've got the big old tassels on the front like that. And you do have your drawstring. So this is a bucket bag, y'all. I love bucket bags. Okay, magnetic snap closure, which works great. And look at the inside of this bag, you guys. Beautiful animal print. I love it. You've got a zipper pocket here, and there's your Rebecca Minkoff. Okay, interior zipper pocket. Then on the other side, you have two slip pockets here. You know, they're a little bit smaller, like maybe for an older type of cell phone. But overall, the interior of this bag also looks super clean. And aside from this little scuffing here on the bottom, this bag overall looks like it's in really good condition. The only other thing that I would say is that the leather that is woven in this gold chain has some like pretty significant wear to one side of it. So, you know, if it gets to the point where it's too worn, you can just cut this and pull it out of the chain and not have that extra detail. There's a couple threads coming out right here. See that? They just need a little trim. But the edge coat looks great. Everything else looks great with this one. So yay, I'm happy with this one too. All right, we're off to a good start. Let me give y'all another peek. So I see that Dooney is next. I love getting Dooney in these boxes. We've got a red Dooney and Bourke top handle bag, or if you're itty bitty, it could be a shoulder bag. With this gorgeous leather trim. Okay, you've got the buckle style handles. There are like D-rings on the end if you wanted to add a strap. We'll have to see if the strap is in here. I don't know. You've got feet on the bottom of the bag. And overall, besides some, you know, natural wear or staining patina, if you will, to the leather, Oh, this leather feels really good. This bag so far looks great. Here's the other side. Edge coat is intact. The handles look good. Just like that. All right, so let's check out the inside. No strap. You've got kind of a green canvas interior. Maybe one little stain down there. You've got your slip pocket. And then on this side, your zippered pocket, a large one, with your Dooney tag there. And there is the pocket. You also have the hang on the inside for like keys or whatever. So this one, you all, is in great condition. I kind of wonder if maybe they didn't accept it because it didn't have the strap. Not sure, but this one is amazing, in great condition. I will have a price on the screen for this one. Oh, that one's so nice. Okay. Let's see what we've got left. Looks like we've got a white bag next. What's happening here? Okay, we'll figure this out. Another drawstring bag, you guys. How nice. Okay, this one also needs a conditioning, I can feel. And this one is also a Kate Spade. So we have the double tassel, kind of like with the Rebecca Minkoff. Y'all, look how cute this hardware is on these tassels. You've got your spade cut out on each of the tassels right there. Really nice. There is a little bit of scratching, you know, on that hardware there. So that is one thing. There's a little bit of staining in the seaming on the bottom. It is a white bag. Maybe a little bit on the back here, but overall it's not bad. I, of course, if you purchase this, will give it a good cleaning. Just can't guarantee, you know, it's all going to come out. Let's figure out this strap situation. I don't know what's happening here. So maybe somebody added a hole here to make it a shoulder bag, but really the holes are down here. Okay. So, because this is meant to be like a crossbody. Okay. So, or a longer shoulder. So not sure about that. There is a little bit of wear to the corners. I'm not sure if I showed that. So I want to show that. Not bad at all. And let's check the inside. Okay. Move that strap out of the way. You've got this beautiful cream inside with the Kate Spade print. Your zipper pocket with the Kate Spade placard there. Really nice, very clean. And then this one also has two slip pockets right here and here on the inside. So overall, especially for a cream colored bag, you guys, this one is in great condition. So I'm definitely not mad about this either. Again, if you purchase, I will give it a good cleaning and a conditioning. I'll actually condition all the bags before I ship them out. Okay, because I can feel this one needs to be conditioned. Okay. All right, so 2 Kate Spade bags. I think that smaller one, the clutch, was our accessory. So that's great. Okay, last bag, you guys. It wouldn't be a name brand handbag box without a Michael Kors, y'all. And I have had this bag before. I have sold it twice. These bags comp out really well. And let's see, let me unfold it a little bit here. They folded it to get it in the box. Really, really beautiful navy blue with gold tone hardware. Okay, this one's a little bit different than the one that I had. The one that I'm used to getting is the Jet Set Traveler that has the interior pocket for the laptop. So I will have to find the name of this one, but it's very similar in style. And let's check the handles. Yes. So both of the ones that I've gotten in the past, the problem was the handles. And it looks like that's the issue here. We have some edge coat peeling here, which when you have a sewn strap like this, for me, if it's my bag, I just rip the edge coat off. But you know, that's how I roll. Not, I wouldn't do that to y'all's bag, but that's how I do it. For me. So it's got some edge coat coming off on the top of the handles. There is your Michael Kors plaque on the front. And let's check the corners. Looks like there might be a little bit of wear or cracking on the corner right here. But other than that, aside from just some slight wear on the edging, the bottom of this bag looks really good. All right, so here's the back. Okay. Overall in really great shape. Feels like a Saffiano leather. Got the slip pocket on the back if you want to drop something in there. And then one of the nice details on the Michael Kors bags is the stamping of their hardware on on the outside. Okay, so then you've got the inside, which I know I already kind of showed. Huge interior. You can throw so much stuff in here. And you've got a slip pocket here, another slip pocket here. And then you've got your Michael Kors there. Zipper pocket. And then on this side, 2 huge slip pockets. The interior of this bag, y'all, looks awesome. So with all the bags that we got today, it looks like the interiors of these are all awesome. So that is great. And I will have a price on the screen for this one. So we got the Michael Kors. We got the Kate Spade bucket bag, which is so cute. We got the gorgeous red Dooney bag. That'd be so cute for the upcoming holiday season. Y'all, I love this Rebecca Minkoff. I think it's super cool. So we got the Rebecca Minkoff bucket bag, and we got the cutest little Kate Spade clutch. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. Again, I don't do this box super often, but I wanted to give it another shot. I see some of my other friends on YouTube open them, and they have pretty good luck with them. So one of these days, I will get that elusive Tory Burch in one of these boxes. But for now, I'm super happy with this one. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me today. Happy Halloween. And again, I hope your day is full of treats and no tricks. Bye, y'all.